Today I'm going to give you a couple of information how you can remove skin tags in very simple, easy, natural way. For a lot of you people it's going to be in just 24 hours. You just need to do something about it, and I'm going to tell you exactly why that is. Today we're going to talk about a very common skin issue that almost everyone deals with at some point in their life. Skin tags. Skin tags are those small, soft growths that usually appear on the neck, armpits, eyelids, or even under the breasts. While they are harmless, they can be annoying, uncomfortable, and for many people, a cosmetic concern. The good news is that the natural way is to reduce them, and in some cases, even remove them overnight. So what exactly causes the skin tags? One of the main reasons is the hormonal imbalances, especially an excess of estrogen. This is why skin tags are more common in women, and they often appear during pregnancy, after weight gain, or in people with insulin resistance. Yes, your hormones and your diet play a big role in this, my dear viewers. Those unhealthy food that we eat each day, those unhealthy chemicals that we put in our body each day, messes with our hormones, and especially if you have a lot of those skin tags right now in your body, probably you are one of them. That means if you really want to stop skin tags from coming back, you need to take care of the inside as well as outside. A low-carb diet and reducing sugar can help balance your hormones and insulin, which in turn reduces the likelihood of new skin tags forming. But what if you already have them? Let's talk about simple, natural home remedy that a lot of people have them and using them for the decades. The combination of the castor oil and the baking soda. A lot of you right now already have those two natural remedies, especially in your home, and I'm going to teach you how to use them to remove skin tags. How it works? Castor oil is a powerful natural oil that penetrates deep into tissues. It has anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, which help soften the skin tags and prepare it for removal. Baking soda helps to dry out the skin tags by disrupting the local immune reaction and balancing pH in the skin tissues. When you mix those two together, you get a paste that can naturally shrink and the skin tags. The simple recipe: just take a small dish of mixed castor oil and the baking soda in 1:1 ratio until you get a thick paste. Did you understand me, my dear viewers? Only probably 1 small tablespoon of baking soda, 1 small tablespoon of castor oil, just mix it together and we will put it on our skin tags. Apply directly on the skin tags, then cover it with a small band-aid before you get to bed. While you are sleeping, the paste works to dehydrate and weaken the tags. When you're waking up next morning, check the spots. In many cases, people notice that the skin tags has shivered, dried out, or even fallen off within a short period of time. For the larger skin tags, you may need to repeat this process for the several nights. Now here's something important. While this is natural remedy, not every skin growth is a simple skin tag. If you have something unusual, like coloring change, bleeding, or growing rapidly, please see a dermatologist to make sure it's not something more serious. That is always unbelievably important. If you are not 100% sure that you have skin tags right now in your body, check with your doctor and find out, is it skin tags or maybe it's something else. Let's talk about the prevention. If you really want to reduce your chances to getting new skin tags, here are a few simple lifestyle changes that makes a big difference. My first recommendation is going to be lower your sugar intake. As I mentioned before, high insulin and the high estrogen levels make the skin tags more likely. A low-carb or keto-friendly diet helps balance those hormones. My second recommendation is going to be maintain a healthy weight. Extra folds of the skin create friction, which make the skin tags appear more often. My third recommendation is going to be support your liver. Your liver helps detoxify excess hormones like estrogen. Foods like cruciferous vegetables, broccoli, kale, cabbage support your liver health. And my fourth recommendation is going to be use natural oils on your skin. Castor oil, coconut oil, or tea tree oil keep your skin nourished and less prone to the irritation. And that is always, remember my dear viewers, when you buy something of those kind of natural remedies, you must buy them 100% organic, pure natural remedies, and this is the only way how you can get better, how you can remove skin tags in the short period of time in the safe and natural way. Remember, the goal is not just removing skin tags, but also address the root causes so that new ones don't come back. So the next time you notice a skin tag and feel tempted to book an expensive dermatologist visit, try this safe, simple home remedy first. A little castor oil, a little baking soda, and a small Band-Aid, and a good night's sleep, and you might just wake up with a smoother skin. Thank you so much for watching this today video on MarioLAB channel, and if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and the family, and the most important, subscribe to my channel on the English language. Those and thousands of those kind of information you have on all of my MarioLAB channel. I believe in these last 7 years I discussed every major topics about health and nutrition hundreds and hundreds of times. If you want to learn a lot more about one other natural remedies that can help you remove skin tags, watch my video right here. Thank you for following, my dear viewers. God bless you. God bless your family. See you next time. Bye bye.